Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show how to install Laravel filament package in a fresh Laravel project and how to customize and use Laravel filament. So first of all, I'm going to Laravel filament website. That's name is filament.php. So here the documentation how to install and how to use. So first of all, now I'm going to fresh project, Laravel fresh project. Here is the fresh project and database name and configuration is done. My configuration is done. So now I will use the package. So here is the installation process, and that's mean the requirement. I hope you know that 8 plus, Laravel 10 plus and Laravel 3 plus. Okay, so that is the requirement, and Laravel version is filament version is 3.x. That's mean it's the latest version. So here is the fresh project. Have no any package installed here. So what I will do, just I will copy this one and install this one in my Laravel project. Okay, just use this one. Now we need to wait for this for complete this package installation. I'm sorry guys, right now I'm very sick, so that's why the problem. I'm copy this. Next, I'm just copying here. Install is processing. Okay, just wait sometimes to process the installation. It's processing. Yeah, it's processing. So we need to wait. Okay, I will cut from this videos, like this one. It's taking some time. It's a lot of time taking. Okay, by the way, this is done, and next we'll install this one. It's a panel, that's mean it's a install all done. Would you like to show some love by sharing filament repo on GitHub? It's no. Okay, so next this will create, register a new Laravel service provider and provider filament service provider apps admin panel service provider. That's mean our hub here providers and filament admin service provider. That's mean this one. Okay, now configure files and make user. Okay, we need right now create a admin user for login. Okay, that's name will be admin, email will be admin at gmail.com. what is the problem? Okay, first we need migrate. Okay, migrate, then need to install this admin user. That's mean admin, email address admin at gmail.com. okay, password will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, done. Filament package installation done. Just right here admin. I hope all is well. Right. And password, Gmail and password, admin login going on. So it's taking some time to loading. That's good. We have install Laravel filament fresh project. That's mean okay. It's a dark mode and it's a default desktop mode and it's a white mode. Okay, that's very good. So if you want to more or more, so you need to read this one. If you follow my channel, you will get all the records of filament package. So I will show how to customize and how to edit or A to Z. I will show you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Otherwise, no need. Thank you so much for watching my videos.